said good morning 3 times.
I thought you were like talking to the camera by yourself.
I just want to say good morning. See, I want to say the 3rd time say I yell at you. Good morning, guys. We're on a cruise, and the first stop that we're going to, there we go. It's been a while since I've vlogged. I'm trying to like get the hands on this camera. The first place that we're going to is Jamaica. So I think we dock around like 1 o'clock, and we're going to do something really cool. We're going rafting, and that's gonna be fun. I try to like plan a vacation at least like once or twice a year, and it's the only time I feel like I have something important or interesting to vlog on my channel about. So that's gonna be exciting. And this cruise goes to Jamaica, Grand Cayman, Mexico, and Cuba. So I'm super excited to vlog Cuba because it's like one of those places I thought I'll never be able to go to, and now I get to go to it. And we're doing something at night, something during the day, so it should be a lot of fun. For now, I'm just gonna sit back, enjoy this awesome look. I'll be posting mad pictures on my IG, so check that out. And I'll see you guys when we reach our stop. This is what we're about to do. Say hello, Sapphire. This is so cool.
It is beautiful.
We're rafting on Martha River.
Martha River?
Okay.
Yeah. Martha. It's my lucky day. Born and grow in Jamaica? No, New York. New York?
Yep.
We're in New York, because I'm from New York.
Oh, you are? What part? Everyone always says Brooklyn. Hey guys, what's up? I thought this beach break will be a perfect time. Hopefully you guys can hear me. It'll be a perfect time to talk about this hair that I have installed on my head that my amazing sister actually helped me install. And this is the Janet Collection EZTex braiding hair. I'll leave all the information down below for you guys. We just want to give you a quick review of this hair. I decided to rock it for vacation time, put a little bit of hair jewelry in it, you know, spice it up a little bit. I want to do this cute, like, short bob look that I've been seeing on Instagram. Sorry if I block out Sapphire's face as I insert a picture here so you guys can see the style that I was inspired by. But I just wanted to give you some facts, like, about this hair and also Sapphire's experience working with it, because she helped me pretty much start it and install it on our head. So would you say it was easy to work with?
Yeah, it's very easy to work with. It doesn't tangle at all. It's easy to part into different sections, and the hair blends in very well with her natural texture.
Yeah, the hair comes pre-feathered, which is awesome. Makes it really easy if you're someone that's doing it long. But we kind of did a blunt chop, so that didn't really matter for us. It's very easy to separate. It's hypoallergenic, and it's like antibacterial, antifungal, anti-itch. I've had this in my head now for 2 weeks, I think. 2 weeks or a week?
2 weeks.
Maybe like close to 2 weeks or so. And like I never had to put any peppermint oil, nothing on my scalp, which I usually have to do. It's a yaki texture, so it's supposed to blend really nice with our hair texture, and I think it did a good job blending. I think this is like a 1B shade. They come in like 44 inches, 54 inches. It comes pre-feathered, which is really awesome if you're just trying to get your hair braided all the way down. It's soft, but it blends in really nice with my own hair. I honestly don't have any negatives, and I personally don't like to braid my hair. I prefer crochet, but I really have been enjoying this. It's supposed to be lightweight. How many packs do you think we used?
Probably 5.
Yeah, I think I used about 5, close to 6 packs of hair. So it did feel a little bit heavy, but I'm kind of biased because I never braid my hair. So anytime I put something in my head, it feels heavy. But now that I've kind of gotten used to it, it's not that bad. But overall, I really enjoy this hair. I definitely would recommend it if you're into braiding your hair. It's supposed to be water resistant. You can also put it in hot water to seal or curl. I did put it in hot water just to kind of clean the cuticles up on the hair and have it all blend in seamlessly. And this is what it looks like. I'll get more close-up shots in the scent, but so far, thumbs up to Janet Collection. Alright, now it's time for us to get back to the beach, so stay tuned for the rest of the vlog.
Oh, I don't know how to take a picture. Whoops, the daisy.
Good morning. What?
What is that?
Oh, I did that. Good morning. We are in Cuba. And right now we're about to do a sightseeing tour of everything. Last night we went to this really cool Legendarios. It was like a, what would you call it? Musical performance type of thing, which was really, really dope. So I'll definitely include some clips, right? some cool sights of Cuba, do a little shopping, enjoy it. I love Cuba. It's like you feel like you just transported into a different time. And the cars are absolutely dope. So let's see what happens.
Hello, morning.
Cuba is beautiful, and I'm definitely coming back to like do an Airbnb. Right now we're at the hotel. What is this? Hotel de Nacional. Say it again for the.
La Nacional Hotel de Cuba.
She translates everything for me. This was actually. Did she say it was owned by the mafia or run? Oh, don't listen to me. This is outside. Hopefully they treats me to a nice beautiful hotel in Cuba.